The next topic of interest is recursion. In C, it is possible for the functions to call themselves. So recursion is a process where a function calls itself. To help you understand this, we are going to take the example of computing the factorial of a number. So 5 factorial is basically 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equals to 120. First, I'm going to show you the iterative version of the program, and then we'll look at the recursive version of the program. So the iterative version is as follows. Let's take the iterative main int a comma fact printf, enter a number. Let's assume that we are only going to deal with numbers which are greater than or equal to 1. So the user is going to read values in that range, percentile d comma ampersand a. So basically we are trying to compute the factorial of a. Next, I make a call to my factorial function. Factorial of a. So factorial of a is going to compute the factorial of the number that you have sent, and it returns the value and stores in the fact variable, and then you can display it. So printf result is percentile d comma fact. Now let me write the function. It's going to be int factorial of int k. Then I write int f equals to 1 comma I. Now we want to compute the factorial of k. If you remember, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we need to go in the decreasing order, k all the way up to 1. So I'm going to write the same thing for I equals to k, I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus, f equals f star k. So if k is 5, this loop executes for I is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And every time the loop is executed, you're going to multiply f with the value of k or I. So initially f is 1, so it's going to do 1 times 5. This should be f times I. So it's going to do 1 times 5, which is 5. In the next iteration, it's going to do 5 times 4, which is 20, and so on. Finally, you can write return f. So this is the non-recursive version, or typically it is called as the iterative version.